Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in with me on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day as I am. So this is somewhat of a special video. First, let me welcome you to our channel. You're watching 412 Public Safety Equipment Customs here on YouTube. For those of you who don't know, my name is Matt Sr. I am the founder and CEO of 412 Public Safety Equipment Customs here in Pittsburgh. So this video is somewhat of a special video. This video is being made for a specific customer. So we had a international customer contact us and ask if we could put together a custom system for him. So he was looking at the Feniex Fusion 2X and 1X dash and deck lights, which he liked. Now, of course, obviously, we settled upon the Fusion 1Xs, as you can see in front of you. Now, the difference between these 1X dash lights and one that you would just buy from Feniex, these two have been combined into basically a plug-and-play unit for this customer. So this customer specifically wanted dual color red and blue options. He obviously, as you can tell, wanted the newer upgradable permanent mount kits. Now, of course, keep in mind that if you order this dash light with the permanent mount kit, it doesn't cost extra. If you order the permanent mount kit afterwards, or for one that you have existing with the suction cups, there is an added upgrade fee. So this customer opted to get an extra one, so that was thrown in on the order for an added fee. These come with the unit right from the factory. Now, what's special about this is he wanted these to be on a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug for the car. He wanted these to be set up to alternate back and forth with his color option wise, which I will show that to you here in a minute once we turn it on. So basically what we did was we took these two units. This is the further unit, so this will obviously, if you're looking at the back of his vehicle, this one will be on the right, this one will be on the left. So what we did was we gave him so here, we'll take this one for example. So what we did is, this is the factory grommet that normally would hold your power plug that goes to your cigarette lighter. So what we did was we gave him a 4-foot cord between the two lights. So the second unit comes into this grommet, and then we upgraded the cable that goes to the power plug, just so it was a little bit beefier wire size wise to handle the operating current of the two units. So we programmed both of these as master slave, so that both mode 1 and mode 2 will work together in conjunction with each other into one unit. So we basically customized this as a single plug-and-play unit for him. All the customer will have to do is mount these two units in his rear window. Of course, he's going to have to figure out a way to hide the wires in the headliner or whatever he chooses to do. And then we gave him basically a 12-foot cord to the power plug. Of course, this is the Feniex power plug with the mode 1, mode 2, 3-position rocker, and then the flash pattern switch here. So this unit altogether is a custom plug and play. He can mount this in his unit, you know, pull the red tape off of the 3M tape, position them as he wants, Once he gets them stuck up in there, hides the wire, he can plug this in and this thing will run exactly the way he wanted it to. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you guys a little preview of what this unit will look like whenever it's installed in the vehicle. Hold on one second. Okay, so let's fire this up. Now, the way I programmed this is, and of course, customer can program this however he chooses once he gets the unit. But I programmed this for a faster pattern on mode 1 for, you know, what I would consider responding code. And then I set it to a slower pattern for mode 2, which I can switch to at the flip of a switch, and that'll slow down the unit. Just because statistics have figured out that slower, calmer patterns are better for stationary emergency vehicles. They tend not to distract drivers as much, and they grab their attention a little bit better. So what we'll do is, oops, didn't mean to cut the power off. So what we'll do is we'll switch back over to mode 1, and we'll just go through a couple patterns for you. You'll notice how these will always alternate between red and blue. So there you have it. There's the custom build. I do believe Danielle told me this is going to New Zealand, I believe. So for an international customer that kind of wanted a product that he could just, you know, plug in, not a ton of cords, wasn't interested in hardwiring it and doing all this himself. He just basically wanted something he could take out of the package, throw in the back window, plug in, and put it into operation. So that's definitely something that we can do. As a matter of fact, we do quite a few of these. We don't necessarily do a video of every one of them. We have done a couple of videos. We showed you we had a video just recently of a Fusion 2X that a sheriff's deputy had sent in to us to change out the one of the two dual color Fusion modules and reprogram it all. So these are definitely things that we can do for you. You know, of course, keep in mind there are parts and labor fees involved in this. Not very expensive, probably not as expensive as you think it would be. So if this is something that you guys are interested in, definitely contact us. You can call us at 412-708-6732. You can always drop us a line at our information email address, and that's 412psecustoms@gmail.com. Make sure you spell the word customs with a K and a Z, as it is spelled in our company name. If you guys like this video and you'd like to see more content like this, please smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button. Make sure you click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our new uploads. And we definitely ask you guys to share this with your friends and family. Maybe not all your family, but I'm sure there's somebody either in your friends or family network that's a first responder that could definitely benefit from the information and the services that we provide. We are a family and first responder owned and operated shop. We are one of not very many shops still around with the mom and pop shop feel, or mom and pop shop culture, as I like to explain it. Our customer service is 100% unmatched. It is very personalized. We take a lot of time helping our customers and recommending and you know, those kind of things. So if you're looking for more of a personalized relationship with your upfitter, with your equipment supplier, I definitely recommend choosing us. So remember to be kind to one another, be safe out there, and I'll see you guys next time.